Welcome guys, let's see.
For opening the casing of MCCB we need flash driver, tester and T10 star driver. Mostly we use T10 for removing outer casing screws. Now we removed outer casing of breaker. Let's check what are parts inside. First part is toggle switch. It operates in 3 ways: on, off and trip. When overcurrent or short circuit current occurs it moves to trip position. Now let's go for working. When toggle switch is on, the moving contact connects with fixed contact, allowing the power to flow from incoming main connection to load. Now we are going to trip manually at W phase by pressing flap armature contracting towards yoke. By that overcurrent or short circuit trip will be activated, which causes toggle switch to move trip position, where movable contact gets disconnected from fixed contact by disconnecting mains from load. Now it got tripped again. For working we need to press toggle switch to off position. Again we need to switch on. This part at fixed contact is called arc shoot. Arc shoot is nothing but thin layer of bimetal which is used to quench arc without causing device to get burned due to high current flow. If the phase gets short circuit means that current flow will be high at current path, causing overcurrent. Due to this, a magnetic field is produced at yoke, causing flap armature to attract where spring tension releases and gets overcurrent drip.